and Kevin's all the time going. And they would all giggle. They went to Walmart, and he had him in the cart pushing, and he stops and he looks at something, and he hears him talking, he turns around, and his son is in the cart. There's this giant guy right here that weighs like 400 pounds.
You want me to try to stand
over, he goes like this, he tells this guy, he goes, oh. That's hilarious. He has both. You've seen those commercials for Southwest Airlines where it says, "You want to get away?"
Right.
He said, that's exactly how I felt.
What did he say? What the guy did?
He said he laughed.
Yeah.
He said he laughed at him, but Kevin said, man, I bet you within 10 seconds I apologized that guy 9 times.
Right. Oh, that's so funny.
No.
Oh, I know. Mama,
Dory, take a vow.
Mama. No, don't pull her hair.
There's a lot of good stories like that.
Oh, yeah.
Bow down. Thank you. Curtsy. There you go.